Good morning, guys. Gordo here, and I really hope you enjoy this healing sound. Just close your eyes and enjoy it. Y'all have a blessed day.
Dear Heavenly Father, we come to you. Today we ask that you lift us up and through. Today we say, good morning, guided healing prayer. Close your eyes, take a breath, let the weight of the world rest. Feel the air upon your skin. Grace is whispering again. Mercy flows like gentle rain. Healing hands erase the pain. Breathe in deep, let go of fear. God is present, He is near. Between sunrise, between nights, between darkness and the light, between heartache, between hope, between waiting, He restores. Seasons turn, yet hew the fire. Through the rain, every loss, every tear, God redeems, He draws us near. Peace is written in the waves, in the rustling autumn leaves, in the silence, in the storm. He is love, He keeps us warm. Between sunrise, between nights, between darkness, between heartache, between hope, between waiting, He restores. Between hearts, between night, between dawn, between healing scars, healing hands upon my soul. Mend the parts that feel so cold. Every breath, a prayer inside. Jesus walks here by my side. Between heartbeats, between suns, heaven hears my silent prayers. In the stillness, in the void, between heartache, He restores. Breathe in.